Word chain looks like a simple vocabulary game, but if it's not structured clearly, it can turn into noise very quickly. In this video, I'll show you how pro teachers run word chain with control, clarity, and real learning. Word chain is more than just a fun activity. When it's done properly, it trains vocabulary recall, listening skills, spelling awareness, and teamwork. The key is not the game itself. The key is how you run it. Before the activity starts, the learning goal is clearly shared with the class. By the end of this game, students will be able to say English words quickly and clearly and support their team. When students understand the goal, the activity becomes purposeful, not just exciting. Clear instructions prevent chaos in the classroom. Effective instructions are short and simple. Students work in teams. Say one word only. The last letter becomes the first letter. You have 5 seconds. No repeating words. The activity is always demonstrated once before starting. Skipping the demonstration often leads to confusion later. This is where many classroom games fail. Professional teachers always check understanding before the game begins. Can students say 2 words? Do students use the first letter or the last letter? Can a word be repeated? How many seconds are allowed? When students answer confidently, the class is ready to play. During the activity, the teacher's role is not to dominate the game, but to guide it. When a student is stuck, support is provided through scaffolding. When a mistake happens, the focus stays on encouragement, not correction. This approach keeps the class safe, respectful, and focused on learning. The same word chain activity can be used at different levels. The difference lies in how the activity is adjusted. For weaker students, letter cues provide support. For stronger students, categories add challenge. For fast groups, pause time is reduced or removed. One activity, different levels of challenge. All students stay engaged. A game becomes a learning activity only when reflection is included. What helped your team today? Did careful listening make the activity easier? Students learn that careful listening, thinking before speaking, and helping others are skills used not only in games, but also in reading, speaking, and everyday classroom activities. Reflection helps students understand how they learn, not just what they play. To run word chain like a pro, teachers set a clear goal, give short instructions, check understanding, guide the class calmly, and always include reflection. That is how classrooms achieve engagement, control, and real learning at the same time. If you have any ideas or experiences, feel free to share them in the comments so we can all learn together. Thank you, and see you next time.